little house of horrors. Yeah, it's full of junk. It's a mess. I'm not cleaning it. Nope. I'm supposed to move. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe. And what's on my channel? Not we, because it's just me here. Me, myself, and I, so it's we. What do I do? I basically toy with tool reviews. Right now I'm tearing apart bikes. I do a little bit of metal work. I make random things. I have a sign I really should finish. I do random projects. So if you like random stuff, a couple of odd things. I'm putting together some Honda bikes. I'm tearing apart some Hondas. I'm working on benches. I'm fixing sandblasters. And I'm just doing whatever I want. It's basically my channel. I'll do whatever I want. And if you're interested, help a fellow out, subscribe and click like and leave a comment. Because apparently comments throw shit in the algorithm and make people popular. So just no bad words in there. Only I'm allowed to say bad words. That's what I tell my kids. So if you're new, come check out my channel. It's just a little channel promotion plug. If you're already on my channel, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for complaining. Thanks for leaving comments. Over the last 2 years now, I think I've been on here. Over the last 2 years, I've gotten some really useful comments, especially from machinists out there who are telling me how to do things on my machinist thing. So if you've left a comment in the past, you're still watching, thanks for watching. There's a list of channels that I like to watch and people I support. If you want to go in there and support them, there's a whole bunch of them on the bottom, or go to my main channel somewhere. I don't know. I'll try to list them somewhere. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and welcome to my world. It's a mess. I got lots of stuff, and if you like looking background at shit, figure out what stuff is, be my guest and try to figure out what stuff is. I'll tell you what it is. I'll even make a video response. I like when people ask me questions. They're like, it's fun getting what do they call that? Engagement, I think they call it. This way you can like help people and stuff. So hopefully I've helped people do stuff. My goal wasn't to become a teacher on here to help the world. It's just me to have fun. Plus I started this during the pandemic with something to do at night. So I'll keep it going. If you are watching, I'll be putting out normally I'll put out a Monday what's new, weekly what's new, which half time there's nothing new. I'll be putting a tool review video every Tuesday, 52 videos a year, every Tuesday of some random tool. So I need to basically purchase or look at a tool every Tuesday. And I will try to put out a video every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, basically on the weekends, a Monday video and a Tuesday. And that's if I can. If you go back in my archives, I did 2 years of videos straight. That was only because when I started, I couldn't upload them all. I was making them faster than they'd upload. I had shitty internet, and it was taking me 3 days to upload 1 3-minute video. And I finally uploaded them all in about 3 days, and then I was just keep making videos and had lots of spare time. So with that, thanks for watching. Take care. Toodles.